Now let's start. Good morning to all again, students. Today I will start the last topic about the Unit 1 thermoelectric modules and the MHD converter. This is the part of the power plant engineering and the Unit 1. What is a thermoelectric energy? Thermoelectric energy के बारे में हम क्या जानते हैं, क्या होती है, इसके बारे में हम पहले देख लें। तो थर्मोइलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी जो है सीबैक इफेक्ट के हिसाब से चलती है। जैसा कि हमने पहले भी बात की थी कि टू डिसिमिलर मेटल का यदि हम वो करेंगे, टू डिसिमिलर मटेरियल्स को यदि हम चुनते हैं और उनको डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर पे रखते हैं, दोनों एंड से उनके जोड़ देते हैं। सपोज आपके पास दो तार है, वायर है, दोनों अलग अलग मटेरियल की हैं और दोनों का टेम्परेचर अलग अलग है। तो दोनों के एंड पॉइंट को यदि हम जोड़ देते हैं तो वो जंक्शन बन जाता है, और उन जंक्शन में यदि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास किया जाता है तो इलेक्ट्रिक मोटिव फोर्स जनरेट होता है, जिसे ईएमएफ का नाम भी देते हैं। तो जितनी पावर जनरेट करनी है वो डिपेंड करेगा मटेरियल के टेम्परेचर पे, कितना टेम्परेचर है उसका, कितना करंट पास कर रहे हैं, कितना एरिया है, और जंक्शन में प्रॉपर तरीके से अरेंजमेंट है कि नहीं। द मेन एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस मेथड इज अ वेरी लो इनिशियल कॉस्ट एंड द नेग्लिजिबल मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट। इस मेथड का सबसे बड़ा जो फायदा है कि इसकी जो कॉस्ट रहती है वो सबसे कम रहती है, और जो मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट है वो भी बहुत कम रहती है। The magnitude of EMF E produced by this process is proportional to the temperature difference between of the two junction. जो EMF प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस के, जो कि जंक्शन के बीच में मेंटेन किया जा रहा है। दैट इज E इज इक्वल टू अल्फा TB माइनस ऑफ TC। तो TB जो है टेम्परेचर ऑफ हॉट जंक्शन कहलाता है, और TC जो है टेम्परेचर ऑफ कोल्ड जंक्शन कहलाता है। दिस इज द डायग्राम जो कि आपको यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है किस तरीके से करंट पास हो रहा है और किस तरीके से हीट जो है एब्जॉर्ब या हीट जो है इनपुट की जा रही है। तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कंडीशंस कि किस तरीके से वो रखा गया है, यदि वो इस तरीके से अरेंजमेंट किया गया है तो हीट एब्जॉर्ब ऐसे होगी आपकी, और यदि इस तरीके से अरेंजमेंट है तो हीट जो इनपुट होगा वो यहाँ से होगा। तो यहाँ पे देयर आर द टू जंक्शन, हॉट जंक्शन एंड द कोल्ड जंक्शन जो आप देख रहे हैं। तो हॉट जंक्शन जो है आपका अपर साइड पे रहता है जहाँ की वायर्स वगैरह कनेक्टेड रहती हैं। कोल्ड जंक्शन आपका बॉटम साइड्स पे रहता है, जैसा कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं। इलेक्ट्रिक पावर इनपुट जो है सप्लाई की जा रही जंक्शन साइड्स पे। तो जब करंट पास किया जाएगा तो वोल्टेज क्रिएट होगा, वोल्टेज से जो रहेगा पावर डेवलप होगी। तो यहाँ पे जो चीजें हैं, अरेंजमेंट दिखाया गया हीट एब्जॉर्बमेंट का और हीट इनपुट का। तो हीट इनपुट यदि हम दे रहे हैं तो वो अपर साइड से हो रही है हीट इनपुट, और यहाँ पे दो जंक्शन बने हुए पी टाइप का और एन टाइप का। तो देयर आर द पी टाइप एंड एन टाइप और द टू डिसिमिलर मटेरियल। टू डिसिमिलर मटेरियल है जिसके कारण से कि हीट इनपुट हो रही है, करंट पास हो रहा है, हॉट और कोल्ड जंक्शन बना है। तो हॉट जंक्शन वहां पे रहेगा जहाँ पे कि हीट सप्लाई रहेगी, उसे हम हॉट जंक्शन बोलेंगे। जहाँ पे हीट एब्जॉर्ब रहेगी या हीट इजेक्टेड रहेगा वो कोल्ड जंक्शन बनेगा। तो यहाँ पे जो सर्किट आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज द circuit where the current is passing through, and this is the diagram where the heat is input by the heat source, solar or any sources। कहीं से भी heat pass की जा सकती है, some other external sources, and the electrodes is surroundings of the two dissimilar materials, and the hot junction is upper side, cold junction at the bottom sides. So this is a thermoelectric power generation literature. It is a device convert the heat energy into the electrical energy based on the principle of Seebeck effect earlier discussed. And it is a class of phenomena in which a temperature difference create an electrical potential. And whenever the current passes through the circuit of two dissimilar conductors, depending on the current direction, either heat absorb or release at the junction of the two conductor is known as a Peltier effect. So जनरली हीट एब्जॉर्ब और हीट रिलीज का जो माध्यम है कि कहाँ पे हीट एब्जॉर्ब हो रही है, रिलीज हो रही है टू कंडक्टर्स के बीच में, उसे हम पेल्टियर इफेक्ट बोलते हैं। तो जहाँ पे करंट पास हो रहा है दैट इज कॉल्ड अ सीबैक इफेक्ट, बट जहाँ पे हीट एब्जॉर्ब या रिलीज हो रही है वो आपके पेल्टियर इफेक्ट के नाम से जाना जाता है। तो इन अ प्योर मेटेलिक कंडक्टर, outer electron less connected to the others can move freely around all the material as if they do not belong to any atoms. These electrons transmit energy one to another through the temperature variation, and this energy intensity varies depending on the nature of the material. So if two distinct material are placed in a contact, free electrons will be transferred from the more loaded material to other so that they equate themselves. Such transference creates a potential difference called potential. Since the result will be a pole negatively charged will be received electrons and the another positively charged by the loss of the electrons. So this is the fundamental of about the effect. Seebeck effect already discussed, but again here remind for the junctions of the two different materials are maintained at a different temperature. The EMF is produced in the circuit. This is known as a Seebeck effect. The material A is maintained at a T plus delta T because of this is called the highest temperature. The material B is a temperature T. So material B, which is the lowest temperature, material B is the lowest temperature comparison to the material A. Since the junctions are the maintained at the different temperatures, the EMF V flows across the circuit when the temperature differences occurs. This is a diagram in which the hot junction 1 and the cold junction 2 is describing. The both are connected by the wires and the metal A and metal B of the different temperature or the dissimilar materials. The voltage will be produced through the EMF effect. This is another diagram in which the hot junction it is represented in the diagram. Hot junction it is represented p type where it is represented electrons and the cathode positive electrons and the n type that is the negative electrons it is passing through these sides. Voltage is produced on the hot to cold side temperature differences, the heat removed from these sides and the heat removed from these sides. P type bismuth and the n type of bismuth. Electron flow it is passing through from these sides. Electron flow it is hole flow it is passing through these sides. Absorbing heat from this sides, absorbing heat from this sides, and the load is taking up this sides. So this is the circuit diagram which is completed by the hot and the cold junction sides. Hot junction this is represented by the TH, cold junction this is represented by the TC. A hot junction where the current is passing through the material junctions that is called a hot junction represented TH, and the cold junction where the heat is released or the rejected or it is called a cold junction. Current is passing through the upper sides. Electrode is connected at the bottom sides. Heat flow is always from the hot to cold side, and the electrical load which is represented here which is producing of the voltage through the EMF producing it is collectively supplied through the another sides. What is the MHD? Magneto Hydrodynamic Generator or Converter. MHD का जो full form है Magneto Hydrodynamic Generator. It is a device that works on the principle of Faraday law. तो Faraday law of electromagnetic induction जो है magneto MHD का जो main है fundamental है. It states that when the conductor solid, liquid, oblique gas moves through a magnetic field, it generates an electrical field perpendicular to the magnetic field and the direction of the conduction. फैराडे लॉ ने जो बोला कि जो कंडक्टर है जो कि सॉलिड लिक्विड है गैसेस टाइप का रहता है मूव थ्रू ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के थ्रू मूव हो रहा है, इट जनरेट एन इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड को जनरेट करता है परपेंडिकुलर टू द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के परपेंडिकुलर रहता है डायरेक्शन ऑफ द कंडक्टर. ये हम डायग्राम में भी आपको दिखाएंगे. इन एमएचडी द कंडक्टर इज एन आयोनाइज्ड गैस which is passes at a high velocity through a powerful magnetic field. A current is generated and can be extracted by placing electrodes in a suitable position in the stream. So this is the main fundamental and the principle of the MHD, जहाँ की कंडक्टर को आयोनाइज्ड गैस के थ्रू समझ के और उसको बता के कि पास किया जाता है हाई वेलोसिटी के द्वारा और generating of the powerful magnetic field, a current is generated and can be extracted by placing the electrodes in a suitable position in the streams. This is the Faraday law describing in the diagram. Magnetic field is generated on this side, direction of the current on this side. Current is passing through the hot side and the current of direction, this is going on the another side. The direction of force is upward sides. So this is the fundamental where the magnetic field is generated on the this side when the direction of force or the direction is passing through the perpendicular of the semiconductor material. The current is passing through the perpendicular along the direction, but direction of force is generating of the perpendicular sides, and the magnetic field is represented by this arrow diagram. This is the MHD generator. DC voltage output, here it is represented by the electrode, plus and minus sign because of the north and the south poles. Ionized gas plasma which is passing through these sides. So there are the three arrow diagram which is representing the red sign showing the motion of conductor. This is called a plasma current, and this is the color vertical arrow diagram representing the magnetic field which is showing. EMF, it is represented by the inclined manner of the different color arrow diagram introduced voltage, that is called the electrical current. So this is the circuit diagram where the MHD generator working is describing. Odd gases conductor and the output current. This is the north and south pole which is describing here, and the two dissimilar material where it is connected with the north and south pole directions, and voltage is created on this sides. तो आउटपुट करंट जो आपको मिल रहा है वोल्टेज के फॉर्म में अनदर साइड्स पे मिल रहा है, जब कंडक्टर को जो कंडक्टर है वो हॉट गैसेस टाइप का आपका यहाँ पे मेंटेन किया गया है. MHD generator principle, it is governed by the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. When the conductor, solid, liquid, oblique gas passes through a magnetic field, it introduces EMF perpendicular to the magnetic field and the direction of the conductor. In the MHD, the flow of the conducting plasma through a magnetic field at a high velocity causes a voltage to be generated across the electrodes perpendicular to both the plasma flow and the magnetic field according to the Fleming right-hand rule. This is the MHD generator. MHD generator constructions, that is resembles the rocket engine surrounded by the huge magnetic field. MHD generator जो है रॉकेट इंजन को रिसेंबल्स करता है जो कि ह्यूज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की है. इट हैज नो मूविंग पार्ट्स, यहाँ पे कोई भी मूविंग पार्ट्स नहीं है. एंड द एक्चुअल कंडक्टर्स आर द रिप्लेस बाय द आयोनाइज्ड गैस. जो एक्चुअल कंडक्टर रहते हैं ये अपने साथ में आयोनाइज्ड गैस को लिए रहते हैं जो कि प्लाज्मा कहलाती है. द मैग्नेट्स यूज कैन बी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स और द सुपर कंडक्टिंग मैग्नेट्स. जो मैग्नेट्स होते हैं उनको इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट की तरह इस्तेमाल किया जाता है या सुपर कंडक्टिव मैग्नेट की तरह इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. सुपर कंडक्टिव मैग्नेट्स आर यूज्ड इन द लार्जर MHD जनरेटर्स टू एलिमिनेट वन ऑफ द लार्ज पैरास्टिक्स लॉसेस. सुपर कंडक्टिव जितने मैग्नेट्स रहते हैं इनको लार्ज MHD जनरेटर में इस्तेमाल करते हैं ताकि हम लार्ज पैरास्टिक्स लॉसेस को एलिमिनेट कर सकें. दिस इज द फंडामेंटल diagram about the MHD generator. What working is describing here entry of the ionized gas passing through the sides. Ionized gas, this is passing through the sides. Accelerating nozzle is this side. Accelerate the velocity of the ionized gas, and the passing through this circuit diagram where it is producing of the voltage output on this sides. And the segmented electrode is connected in between of the two dissimilar materials, and the solenoid coils are the replacing on the top sides of the current, top sides of the dissimilar materials. As shown in the figure, MHD consists of the fuel supply system. जैसा कि हमने बताया आपको, वहां से पास किया जाता है कंबस्शन चेंबर से होने के बाद एक्सपांशन सिस्टम और MHD जनरेटर के अंदर वो एंटर करता है. The electrode are placed parallel and opposite to the each other as shown in the figure. तो फिगर में जो दिखाया गया है कि इलेक्ट्रोड को आपस में एक दूसरे के पैरेलल में लगा दिया जाता है और अपोजिट लगाते हैं. इट इज मेड टू ऑपरेट एट ए वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर विदाउट मूविंग पार्ट्स. जिनका कि टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा रहता है और मूविंग पार्ट्स नहीं रहते हैं, इनको फिक्स कर दिया जाता है. बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई टेम्परेचर द नॉन कंडक्टिव वॉल ऑफ द चैनल मस्ट बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड. तो जितनी भी नॉन कंडक्टिव वॉल है चैनल की, इनको हमें अच्छे तरीके से बनाना जरूरी है ताकि हाई टेम्परेचर को ये वियर आउट कर सकें. Generally in generator, the conductor consists of the copper windings or strips, while in MHD generator, the hot ionized gas or conducting fluid replaces the other type of material. The fuel is passing through of this side in this diagram, and this is the combustion chamber, and after that passing through the combustion chamber is going into the expansion nozzle creating of the high velocity MHD generator, and the gases is passing through these sides. Compressor, it is installing here, already discussed in the previous classes. The heat exchanger is collecting of the energy or the power output, and after that working in the heat exchanger, the gas is going into the atmosphere sides. Okay, the air is passing through the heat exchanger where the heat is exchanging between of the two fluids. Because of the after the working of the in the MHD generator, the gases will going into the atmosphere. So that's why the heat is taking up the exhaust gases through the air, and the air is going into the compressor where it is high air compressed into the compressor, and after the compression, the high pressure air is passing through the combustion chamber for the again completing of the cycle. This is called the open cycle using the conventional fuel. And the fuel may be of the solid, liquid, or the gas type. Generally, fuel is the ionized gas. This is called also a plasma. This is the MHD generator working. Generation of electrical power utilizing the high temperature conducting the plasma. Already discussed in the diagram, previous diagram. Stream of the high temperature working fluid passing through intense of the magnetic field. It converts the thermal energy extracted from the fuel directly into the electrical energy, and the fuel is burned in the presence of the compressor in the combustion chamber. The fuel is burnt in the presence of the compressed air in the combustion chamber. During the combustion seeding, the materials are added to the various method for ionizing the gas are available, all of which depends on the imparting sufficient energy to the gases. The ionizations can be produced by the thermal or the nuclear means. Materials such as the potassium carbonate or the cesiums are often added in the small amounts, typically about 1% of the total mass flow, to increase the ionizations and improve the conductivity, particularly combustion of the gas plasma. Magnetic field, a current is generated and it can be extracted by the placing electrodes in a suitable stream. And this is the open loop MHD or the MGD. The fuel is passing where it is fuel is passing in the previous slide, जैसा कि हमने बताया था आपको लास्ट स्लाइड में. तो फ्यूल जो पास किया जाता है with the presence of the oxygen at the 1100 degree temperatures passing through the combustion chamber, and after through that passing through the nozzle where it is velocity of the fuel can be increased by the nozzle after the converting of pressure energy, and when the kinetic energy is going up to the high level passing through a MHD duct where it is working in a converting the power, and the power is collected in the inverter side, and some of the power which is exhausted collectively into the preheater, and in the preheater it is run by the oxygen in the presence of the oxygen, and a seed recovery unit which is placing after the preheater to collecting of the amount of the energies, and this exhaust gases without of the heat carrying of the pollution control unit. After that checking of the pollution in the exhaust energies, it is passing through the chimney side to the atmosphere, and this is unit called where the energy is going into the atmosphere. This is called a stack. That's why it is called in the open cycle MHD generator, in which the where it is not reutilized. In from the seed recovery units, it is passing through their sites. This is called a seeding process. Closed loop MHD or MGD, where the energy can be remaking after the working, and after the working in the MHD duct. This is the MHD duct, magnetic surrounding created for the capturing of the high amount of the energy. This is a DC supply through the inverter, and the AC power is going into the for the further use. Air preheater is installing behind a steam generator. Steam generator, it is device where the steam is generated, and through the uh, steam generator just like a boiler, and the steam is generated through the combustion of the fuel of the taking of the heat from the air preheater sides. The air is supplied to air preheater from the atmospheric sides, from the steam generator, this is the steam passing through the steam turbine for working of producing of the power, and after the working, this is going into the generator sides, current producing of a huge amount of the power. The condenser unit, which is using for the condensing of the water, condensing of the steam, and the removal of the nitrogen and the sulfide or sulfur. It is done into this chamber. Seed recovery is done at this unit, and the seed recovery is passing through these sides. Makeup seed is passing through these sides. So this is the fundamental where the again and again using this is type the closed loop MHD. In the previous slide, the seed is taking up to the atmosphere, but here the makeup seed, which is passing through again in the circuit diagram. The stack is using for the exhausting the energy to the atmosphere without carrying up the heat. So this is the today lectures. If you have any questions, please ask me. Yes. Anyone who joined after the
Sir, me.
Sir, 31.
Sir, 5.